Good morning from day 142 on the Appalachian Trail. Getting ready to do a 14-mile Nero day to the hostel. But first, we have to cross this little stream. All right, off we go. Okay. And done. Next. Yay! Oh, and there's a bench. Wow. And that's a view. Gorgeous. Now that's a beautiful way to start the morning. It was hard, but it was worth it. Okay, so yesterday you saw me end the video with a splat. Yeah, sure did. And it ended up being a goose egg. None on my head. No, on my poor leg. Yeah. See if you can see it. Right here. Thankfully it's gone down a lot. And I don't know if it's going to bruise or not, but I guess we're going to call that one Maine. And it's not hurting. I don't think anything's broken or anything, but it became a big old goose egg. But thankfully we were camped right next to a stream, so I sat in the stream for about half an hour last night to let the swelling go down a little bit. And took some, naproxen, and still a little tender this morning, but it's, feeling, walking fine, so I think we'll be okay. We just did a mile and I survived uphill, so yeah. Got 13 more to go. If it's still hurting when I get to the hostel, then I'll assess then, but I think I'm okay. Goodness gracious, I guess I gotta get this AT done so I can let this body of mine heal and get over this clumsiness that I've got now. That started in, I guess really started in New Hampshire. Yeah, alright. We're gonna keep on hiking now because we gotta get to the shuttle pickup by 3 p.m. so off we go. Lower, lower, lower. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so just did some simple math. We're about 3 miles in, we got about 11 more miles to go. So we can take like 2 15-minute breaks and still make our shuttle by 3 p.m. And so while we don't like to be rushed, you know, gotta be on a timetable today, unfortunately, if we want to get to the shuttle on time. So, yeah, but I think we can do it. Yeah. It didn't look too bad on far out today, so I think we can do it. I'm optimistic. Wow, we hear waves in this giant pond. Waves. Look at that. It's crazy. Whoa. Huh. Okay, that pond was called Long Pond. It looks very cold and the sun is not shining and we don't have time, so that just means we're not swimming in it today. But oh my gracious, beautiful though, absolutely gorgeous. I cannot believe that it has waves like that. I was not expecting that. We have not seen any ponds like that. We're going to be coming up on another pond in just a minute called Sabbath Day Pond. Now, is that not screaming out for a time for a break? Okay, we'll see what happens. We only get 2 15-minute breaks though, so I guess we gotta use them wisely. Well, it's starting to rain. I'm hoping it's just gonna be like a spitting rain. Not bad before I have to put everything away. Well, I guess we'll find out. Okay. Taking a snack break. And I'm elevating my legs. See my bruise? Its name is Maine. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Was that from yesterday?
And we're back on trail after a nice little break. I stepped in a mud puddle. Okay. Oh well. Just walking along the trail, and all of a sudden there's a privy on the trail. I don't see a shelter anywhere. This is odd. Well,
But it's like closed shut, is it? Or is the net all around it?
no,
Oh, okay. You can't use it?
you can use it.
It is like a slit on the door. We're near a tent site, but like not I don't know.
Huh. Okay, apparently there's a campsite close by, which is why I guess there's a privy. Alright, we're going to stop in we only have like 5 miles left. So we're going to go ahead and stop in maybe like 2.5 miles and take our official lunch break. And then we only have like 2.5 miles left to go. And then we should have plenty of time to get picked up by the shuttle because we're making good time today. As long as we don't take too long of a lunch break. And apparently it's going to be at a pond. So that'll be nice. Well, the thunder's rolling in. I think we may be getting some rain. I hope not. But the thunder usually doesn't lie. We still have about, I don't know, 4 miles to go. Maybe. And we were going to take a lunch break. Well. Okay, looks like the rain is beginning, so I may have to put my phone in a special case. I know. I didn't want to have to hike in the rain today. But looks like we only have about 3 miles left. So it could be worse. It could be worse. Alright. I'll check in when it's not raining. And the rain has begun. The heavens have opened up. I do not have a rain jacket on, and that's okay, I think. Here we go. Okay, so I am soaked, and that's okay. My stubbornness did not put on the rain jacket, and you'll have that. But I've also come to find out that my rain jacket still soaks through pretty quickly. All it does usually is just keep me warm, but I am freezing though too. So while hiking, we came across our friend Pi, and he has his RV set up at the end of the trail with his wife. Alamo's down there too. So he said that we could come down there and meet his wife and hang out while we wait for our shuttle to come pick us up, which is awesome. They are just so sweet. So that'll be nice. We can maybe warm up down there, which would be good. So we got less than a mile to go. And it has finally, stopped raining. But now I'm just freezing. I hear a little doggy barking. I'm getting real close to the end of our trail. Okay. We were supposed to be here by 3 p.m. and it is 2 p.m. So thanks to the thunderstorm and only one break, which was way earlier today, we got here an hour early. Thankfully it's not raining now, so we can probably just dry out a little bit. We made it! Hey, look at you! Oh, it's warm and dry out here. Whee. Okay. And there's Pie. Hey! And there's Alamo! Hey! Alright, just arrived at the Maine Roadhouse. Hostel, I guess it's called Bunkhouse. Excited to be here. One of my friends told me I had to check out this place, and so here we are.